Hmm. Good morning, everyone. So, today we are taking a new chapter in our English Skyline, and that chapter is on page number 85, Anandi's Rainbow. So, let's start and let's read what is given in this speech box first of all. This story is about a little girl, Anandi, who sees the rainbow on a rainy day. Let us read the story to know if she likes it or not. So, you like a rainbow or not? What about Anandi? Let us see. But before that, fasten your seat belts. Means get ready. So, what is given here? Look at the picture below. Circle the things you see during rain. So you have to circle the things you see during rains. So I'm not going to tell you this. You will circle yourself. And I am directly coming to the chapter. Next page. Take off. Take off means fly. Yes. It was raining outside. Anandi was fast asleep, dreaming of rainbows. Fast asleep means she was sleeping. Okay, deep. She was taking deep sleep. So Anandi was fast asleep, dreaming of rainbows. And what she was dreaming? Rainbows. She woke up to look out of her window. And she woke up then. And she looked out of her what? Window. Whether she was dreaming the rainbow, whether it was true or not. There was a huge bright rainbow across a clear blue sky. So her dream came true. What was there? Huge. Huge means very big. Bright. Bright you already know, but given is the meaning shining. Shining rainbow across a clear blue sky. In a clear blue sky. Across means from here one end to another end. Right? Very big. Anandi ran out to the garden with Millie. Who was Millie? Her favorite cat. Okay? So Anandi ran out to the garden. She came out of her house in the garden with her cat, favorite cat. Who was that? Her name was Millie. So Anandi loved to draw and paint, and Anandi was a good painter, you can say. She loved to draw and to paint. Today, she wanted to paint the flowers of her garden with the colors of the rainbow. So, what did she want today? Because she saw a rainbow and the rainbow came true due to her dream, actually, right? So, she would naturally want what? She wanted to paint the flowers of a garden with the colors of the rainbow. So you already know how many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors. In several other chapters we have seen. So she colored one flower with the violet. Violet, purple color. Okay? And another with the indigo. Indigo is blue like. Between blue and purple there is a color called indigo of the rainbow. Okay? Indigo color is there in rainbow also. One with the blue and leaves with the green, and another one with blue color and it leaves green color, of course. One with the orange. Next come orange. She took orange then. One with the red, but she left the yellow. But she didn't use yellow, so that the sun may look bright and gay. Why didn't she use yellow color to color flowers? Because she wanted that yellow color should remain in sun only, so that sun can bright easily. Okay, she didn't want to take yellow color from the sun, you can say. So she thought the sun should look bright and gay. Gay means happy, cheerful. And lo, there were beautiful flowers all over the garden. So when she colored all the flowers, so flowers, her garden looked very beautiful with these beautiful flowers. So it's an imaginary type of story, okay? You cannot paint your flowers with your brush and paint, but in imagination you can, right? So you should take like that. Next page. The sun was up there shining its yellow glory. Okay, so sun was yellow. She knew, and she didn't use yellow, so it was now shining more brightly, right? So the sun was up there shining in its yellow glory. Glory, you can say here is written also beauty. Okay. After giving colors to the flowers and the sun, the rainbow was gone because all the colors were absorbed now. All the colors of rainbow were taken by either the flowers or by the sun. So, rainbow disappeared now. Okay. So, it was the simple story, imaginative story, and we must use imagination in our day-to-day life also, right? So you shouldn't think, oh, what kind of story it is, उल्टी सीधी story है ये तो, हाँ. इमेजिनेशन में हम लोग दूसरे जैसे एंजल की और जिन की ऐसी स्टोरी भी तो सुनते हैं ना, वो भी इमेजिनेटिव ही होती हैं. एनीवे, ऑटो पायलट एक्सरसाइज टाइम, क्विक रिकॉल. और इससे पहले क्वेश्चंस भी दिए इधर ऊपर ग्रीन बॉक्सेस में. लेट अस सी देम. व्हाट वाज द वेदर लाइक इन द स्टोरी? यू शुड आंसर दिस. एंड इन लास्ट, विच कलर डिड आनंदी लिव? ये भी अभी हमने डिस्कस किया. सो इनको जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ लेना चाहिए आपको बिफोर डूइंग एक्सरसाइज, राइट? नाउ टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन टू आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. सो बिफोर डूइंग एक्सरसाइज आपको रीडिंग भी करनी है, ओके? पैराग्राफ वाइज या फुल चैप्टर. Anyway, A. 1. On waking up, Anandi saw a rainbow, clouds, flowers or birds. Yes, a rainbow. Take it. Anandi loved to play, dance, sing, draw and paint. Draw and paint. She was a good artist. Anandi wanted to paint dash for her garden, dash of her garden, rainbow of her garden, clouds of her garden, flowers of a garden or birds of a garden. Flowers of a garden, right? Now reference the context. Read the following extract and answer the questions that follow. So the lines are same, but I am reading once for you. Anandi ran out to the garden with Millie, her favorite cat. Anandi loves to draw and paint. Today she wanted to paint the flowers of a garden with the colors of the rainbow. She colored one flower with the violet and another with the indigo of the rainbow. Now, these questions, let's answer them. With whom did Anandi run out to the garden? With Millie, her favorite cat. So, right here only, with Millie, okay? Next, Anandi wanted to paint the flowers of a garden with the colors of the, yes, you can easily tell, rainbow. Anandi ran out to the garden with her dog. True or false? Only you will tell. I am not going to tell this. Write the opposite of least liked from the extract. Write the opposite of the least liked from the extract. Is there coming word? Least liked in the extract or most liked something? Anandi ran out. No. Okay, leave it. Just take it this sentence as this. Write the opposite of least liked. Okay, least liked means less liked. Okay, so opposite of less is more, and superlative is more is most. So the opposite of least liked would be most liked. M-O-S-T, most, and same liked, right? So right here, most liked. Now, question answers, and these question answers you always write in your notebook also, okay? So, number 1, and I am taking these from the board. Wait for a minute. Where is the gallery? Here. Yes, this picture is clear. So, first question is, what did Anandi see outside of her window? So, you can easily tell and see here from here also. Anandi saw a rainbow outside of her window. Right? Next, what was the name of Anandi's cat? The name of Anandi's cat was Millie. Name the colors you see in a rainbow. I'm not going to tell, I can only give you a hint. Vibgyor. Earlier I gave this hint to you in some chapter. I recall this, okay? Vibgyor, Vibgyor. They are going to help you what colors a rainbow has. So you have to do this in your notebook, English notebook also. And here up till here we will do today the rest of the exercise. Page number 88 and 89 and 90 would be taken on next time, right? So only this in English literature today. Next video would be English grammar. Thank you. Bye bye.